Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second and last puzzle in this puzzle page of the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, September 23rd, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with, it's actually a 1 star, not really a 2 stars. And one puzzle is left for today. In this puzzle page, we have also a puzzle. We have also a additional in the Friday edition with 3 extra puzzles. I will continue with those puzzles, but let me solve this one. This one will be number 7152. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. This one has 25. This one has 28. And it's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. A lot of O's. Let me start with O. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. And now, between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 4 there, number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Then, yeah, now I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have also 4 ones. If we place number 5 there, the 5th one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If we place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Alright. Here we have 4 ones. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Between two O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O here, 1, there 1. Finish in 5 minutes. Wow. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. Until then, bye-bye for now.